Okay, I've got the cards here that I'm doing the drawing for. They were the 4-season cards that we did at my church, and I made a set to give away, and these are them, and I think I got the right thing pulled up. This is my second time trying this. Okay, so now I need to fetch the people. Continue. Okay, we got 6 comments. Oh, I commented. Okay, let me try that again. Ada Fletcher, you're the winner. And as long as you're not out of the country, you'll be getting them in the mail. I think everybody that I already told you that had to be in the country. So Ada should be in the country. I will put my email address down below, or you can also contact me through the instant messenger, and I will get these in the mail to you. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.